Hello again. Now that you have the extension installed, let's show you how you can get started with Scribo in your classroom. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step guide to integrate Scribo for Google Docs into your current workflow. Step 1. Set up as an educator. First, click on the Scribo icon. You can drag and drop the icon to anywhere on your screen. After clicking on the Scribo icon, you will read a series of welcome messages. Simply click Next. Then watch the video and click Let's Go. Indicate the country you are from. Your school name written in full or acronym. Grade levels, especially if you are teaching more than one grade. And from the list of writing subjects provided, choose the one that you teach. When ready, click Next. Step 2. Create a writing profile. Think of the writing profile as an assignment.
Example, Mrs. History.
Class name.
Grade 7 History.
Grade levels you are teaching. Writing subject.
Oh yes, let me include grade 8 in there too.
Writing genre.
Informative.
And the topic or content you would like your students to work on.
The Mediterranean world.
Edit the writing profile anytime by clicking on the profile name. Explore a variety of activity types tailored to various learning needs. Step 3. Insert feedback and grading options. Scribo provides grading and feedback driven by chosen learning outcomes. You have the option to choose one or more of the following: rubrics, standards, and writing goals. With a myriad of rubrics preloaded for you to choose from, scroll through the list and choose the one you like. Check that its descriptors are those you would like to use for grading. Then click Use this rubric. To change rubrics or use your own, click the X button. Then access My Rubrics to select your own. Or choose File to upload your own rubrics in the PDF format and click Upload this rubric. Once uploaded, you can edit your rubrics anytime. Or if you would like to use state standards to deliver accurate and consistent grading with feedback, simply click on Standards, Filter, and scroll to choose from the descriptors. Click on the various strands you wish to include for grading. Finally, you may also choose up to 5 writing goals you would like your students to achieve for this specific writing task. It could be goals such as grammar and spelling, paragraphs and sentences, or overall feedback. Scribo gives student feedback based on these goals achieved. Once ready, click on the feedback icon to run feedback on your chosen rubrics, standards, and writing goals. You can refresh the comments at any time. Step 4. Generate feedback and comments. While the feedback is running, you can see that Scribo works behind the scenes to scan through the document and deliver comments to the writing as quickly as possible. Each comment is tagged as a data point that will be reflected back to the teacher as data insights for remediation. Step 5. Validate results and copy to Google Docs. Scribo ensures that at all times the teacher remains in control of any grade or feedback returning to the student. After the feedback generation process is complete, you can make changes to the competency levels and edit the comments made to add a touch of personalization. Click on the Copy Results icon to add the grades, standards, or comments to the document. And voila! You're now ready to use Scribo in your classroom. Thanks for watching.